Miss Grand Tarlac Province, ladies and gentlemen. Very interesting question and answers tonight. Krishna.
Girls are doing so great.
All right, Mr. Tarlac Province, are you ready to pick a judge? Your judge is Brian Carlo Nico Nicolas.
Hello. Yeah, okay. Jose Rizal's fictional character, Maria Clara, has been known to embody the epitome of the Filipino woman. What traits of Maria Clara should modern Filipina beauty queens continue to emulate? Again, what traits of Maria Clara should modern Filipina beauty queens continue to emulate?
I believe Maria Clara embodies the respect of herself. And as a modern Filipina, I believe we should always remain to have the respect of ourselves, especially to the women, that we are being prone to any cases like rapes or whatnot in the Philippines. And I think this is the high time for us to value ourselves as not only the Filipino women, but all of the women in the world. By having this, I believe we can all have peace and love to one another. Thank you so much, and good evening, Mawa Arena.
Thank you so much, Ms. Grand Tarlac